Hello everyone, this is my Honda Civic first generation 1984. I showered him brown color, golden brown. The battery is down, it's not starting yet. It's long time, I never visited. This side glass is from Cultus, Suzuki Cultus side glass. This is original handles, opening levers. I want to show you interior work. This is chrome color Civic chrome logo, original black glass. This is 2000 Civics steering lever. Battery is down, so it won't start. This is original stuff, Honda Civic 1984. This is custom, I will purchase from online store. This is custom from online store. So I'm trying to build this beauty. This is it's coming soon to the roadside. I want to build this off-road to lift his body for more upgrade. It's took long time. So interior is now I'm building this interior. This is cushion work. It's dark brown chocolate color. This is custom made UX system. It won't be start because no battery is very down. Automatic windows and manual automatic door locks, but battery is not charged, so it's won't start. Let me show you this beauty's engine. So long time I've never visited here, so this is it's want cleaning work. She wants, and the engine is in very bad conditions. So look at this. This is very hard to start. I think petrol is it's 1.3. I think. Oh, really? I'm sure. It's 1.3, and oh, I didn't see it. Yeah, let me fix this. It's 1.3. You can listen. Battery is very down. Its horn is it's very hard to the horn. It won't start. So this is Honda Civic original stuff. Is water, radiator, the fan. Let's see the engine oil. Yeah, oil is in the good condition. Yes. This is 1.3. It's 12 valve, original Honda Civic 1984. Here, cool. Body is in bad condition. It's very bad condition. This Honda Civic want to upgrade this beauty, and So this is the first review. I want to just add some more things in this, the body work and the engine work. I will show you in the next video. I hope you like this and support me. I'm very nervous, so I know you can fix this. Thanks for watching. Bye.